Hey you! Do you want to make your own special Discord AI chatbot for free with some great features? Well, you're in the right video for that. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to enjoy more of this content. Let's get started. The project will be in Replit. So as you see here, we will set up 3 environments: Google API key, Discord bot token, and max history. First, let's start with Google API key option. Go to https makersuite google.com app API key, create an API key and copy it. Then paste it into the Google API key field like I did. Now let's set up the bot token. Go to https geodiscord.com. Then create an application and go to bot section. Then copy the bot token and paste it in Discord bot token field and save it. For the max history, it defines the maximum number of messages to retain in history for each user. For example, if you set the max history to 5, the bot will remember the last 5 given prompts, and 0 to disable the history. Now in the last touch, go to Shell and type this command. Run it and wait till it get installed. For that, let's run the Replit project and go to Discord and try to the bot. To chat with the bot, mention him and send your message like I do. Let's test the image recognition feature with the bot and check how it goes.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for
Hey, wait! I've got a surprise for you. If this video reaches 50 likes, I will post the source code and I'll make a tutorial video for this advanced version of Chatbot AI, which it has more features than other one. So please hit the like button and wait for the video to reach 50 likes for the advanced version.